This company went from 0 to 2 million in the first 16 years of business. And then we went from 2 million to 10 million in just the last 6 years. We've had some explosive growth, exciting growth. Our trajectory has been huge. And in that time, we have learned how to manage properties. And we've learned how to manage properties well here in the Chicago market. And that's why I'm excited to introduce the opportunity of a maintenance director position that we're putting out there. This maintenance director position will come in, manage a team of roughly 15 people, be in charge of everything, in charge of the P&L. It will have a position on our leadership team, which, are an EOS company for those that are familiar with Traction. It will come with a healthy salary. It will come with a performance bonus opportunity, full benefits, and obviously the opportunity to grow a department to an unimaginable amount that your skills can bring to the table. So if you know somebody, if you are that someone and you're interested, love to hear from you, and reach out soon.